Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another Zach Paz vlog. We are here.
I got water, boys!
He's got water. Yeah, we're over here on the Johns Mountain Trail, over here by the Pinhoti Trail.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're here at the Pinhoti Trail, camping with the boys.
Let's go. Yeah, see, he has a better intro than me.
Today, we're gonna be getting some creek water. Follow me.
That's kind of weird. He's got that zoomer instinct. He just kind of takes one of those. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
That's what it sounds like when clowns have sex. Now, this shit's kind of weird, so bear with me here.
All right.
You kind of gotta put it in there, and you just kind of squirt. You know, you're trying to like pump it. The whole idea is you want to pump it. Shit, it's hard. It is hard though. Come on down, y'all.
You know how to use it? He's getting it in there.
That's what she said.
Yes, sir.
Guys, why are we so rude? Why can't we be wholesome?
Oh God, we need to be one of those
We need to
wholesome
be wholesome.
kids YouTube channels.
Yeah, we can be wholesome.
Remember, kiss your mom on the lips. Okay?
What'd you say? Yeah, look at this plant. Get a close up on that plant. Right
Yeah, get closer on this plant.
No! Somebody pick it up! Somebody pick it up!
I don't know. Oh, it
Move
stopped.
right
It stopped. It stopped. Jacob!
Yeah, I hope this creek's clean. I can't clean this straw.
I'm pretty sure this is usually only meant for life or death situations.
It's not.
But I'm about to die.
I'm about to die of thirst.
This place is awesome.
Huh? Cancer tree. Oh yeah. You got a hair stuck in your shutter.